Hi guys, it's December and I hope you guys had a very happy new year. I'm starting off the year with a review. For my birthday, my birthday was in December. My mom got me the Anastasia Glow Sugar Kit. And I used it a few times, so it's not like first impressions or whatever. But it comes with 4 colors. The names are Marshmallow, Gumdrop, Butterscotch, and Starburst. One thing I like about it is the colors match the theme. The theme is very sugary. Because I'm a dancer, whenever I think of Sugar Plum Fairy, and Sugar Plum Fairy is purple. And that's the color of the packaging. Second thing, I love the packaging. I love purple. That's one of my favorite colors. I love how it's like an ombre effect, where it's darker up here and the lightest down in this corner. I think how they designed it was very nice. They have all the information on the back here and then the names on the back of the colors. Third thing is it's very pigmented. When you think of sugar, you think of sweet, pure, light kind of thing. And so that's what this is. One of the 2 things I don't like about it is it has I'm not going to say bad smell, but a strange smell. It smells like makeup. Like nowadays people are like flavoring or putting scents in their makeup. The Kylie Cosmetics lines have like a scent to them. They smell like candy. Some of their lipsticks smell like licorice. This doesn't have a specific sugary smell. It doesn't really have a flavory smell either. It has a strange one. That's the one thing I kind of don't like about it. And another thing I kind of don't like about it is when you pick it up like with a brush or with your fingers or whatever you're using, has a lot of like kickback to it, like the dust of it. A lot of fallout. That's only the only 2 things I have a problem with the Anastasia Glow Kit. I haven't tried any other glow kits. This is my first one that I do an impression on it. But I'm going to swatch Marshmallow first. You can kind of see it. My lighting's really bad. It's 10 o'clock at night here. You can kind of see the marshmallow. This is the Gumdrop. Yeah, Gumdrop. And I haven't got a chance to use this one. But it looks like a really nice color. I can't wait to use it. My personal favorite is next. This is Butterscotch. I use this on the daily. I use it on my cheeks, my eyebrows, my nose, my Cupid's bow, and the inner corner of my tear ducts, like right here. It has a very bronzy color to it, and one of the things I really like about it. But it's not dark, because it's a sugar palette. Yeah. And then the next one is Starburst. This one I have on today. The 2 I have on today actually is mixed with Butterscotch and Starburst. I just mix them, put them on. So yeah, that is the Anastasia Glow Sugar Kit. You can either buy this at Ulta, that's where my mom got it, or from Anastasia online itself. But overall, I think it's a great palette. There's only 2 cons to it that I found. Comment below if you disagree or agree with me. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice year. Bye guys.